What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is basically my strategy on how I would build a DeFi investment portfolio in the crypto space, how I would divvy it up between stable coins, large cap coins, small cap, and moonshots or degens, right? For this one, I'm gonna use the Fantom network. I recently did one on the Polygon network. You should see the link in the description. Yeah, so welcome to Pelly Telly. On this video, we go over everything crypto, charts analysis, growth challenges, NFTs, metaverse, everything you name it, okay? If that's something you're interested in, smash the like button and subscribe. Let's get into the video, okay? So if you haven't seen my previous video, this is how I break down my categories for how I will basically divesting my portfolio into DeFi. If you guys don't know what DeFi is, it stands for decentralized finance. First category, stablecoins. Now, stablecoins, I'm throwing about 30% of my bag into a stablecoin pairing. Now, we could split it up into 15, 20, 20, 10, you know what I'm saying? But about 30% of the funds I would put into a stablecoin or yield farm. Okay? So let me show you which one I would use, the one I would use on the Fantom network. The sites that we're going to be using are, we're going to be using Beethoven. Beethoven is a platform that pools together sometimes more than one coin. Most of the protocols, you need a liquidity provider between about 2 coins. What I like about Beethoven is it allows you to get more exposure to maybe other coins that you would like to get exposure to. Okay, so another one we're going to be using is Defi Finance and Auto Farm. Okay, so let's start on Defi Finance. Defi Finance, you're going to sort by APY. We're going to type in, let's type in a stable coin here. Let's say USDT, USDC. Let's see, stable LPs. You see this one takes us to Defi Finance. Well, sorry, Beethoven Finance. And that's a really good APY, to be honest, right? That is a really good APY. So let's side that one. So this category, I'm only looking for about 10 to 20% growth on my money. So the way this works is, as we go down this tier, the aggressiveness or the risk factor is gonna go up, right? But the reward also goes up. So since this is at the top tier, this is like low risk, basically low reward, you know? But 63% ain't bad. 63% growth on a 30% of your portfolio, whew, better than any bank, okay? Then you have USDC May. This one isn't bad, 37%. My is like is actually on the Polygon network, right? That's actually linked to the Polygon network. But we got this stable coin pairing giving you a growth of 37%. That's not bad. It's another good one, Spirit Swap. And so another way that we kind of rate these pairings is 1, the APY, and then 2, the protocol that it's on. Okay, because like for instance, let's say this one is 63 and this one is 40, basically 50%, but this was on like a sketchy, also the coin that's inside of it as well, but a sketchy platform. So this was on like Banana Swap, you know? Well, this one's on Banana Swap and it's going 63, but this one's on a reputable protocol such as Beethoven at 50. I probably would go with this one because this one has the one that's on a not so well trusted or tested protocol. You run the risk of the protocol probably going under and your funds go with it. So it's not something that's like prominent, but it's something to be aware of for sure. So here you have TUSD and USDC. That's not a bad pairing at all, to be honest. That's really not a bad pairing. Scream. This one you have USDT, DAI, USDC. I don't know what Frio is, so I can't give you that much good advice on that. And the APY isn't that good. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop 15% into here to be exposed to that 64% growth. And then I'm gonna also put another 15% with, I'm thinking either, I'm gonna go this one. So I'm gonna take this one since it's on Beethoven and we like Beethoven, and I'm gonna go USDC May. So that's 15% in there, 15% in here. Because if we average these two, that's about a 30% growth. 63 plus 37 divided by 2. That's a 50% growth. Beautiful. That's an average of 50% APY. So that's great. So that's what we're gonna be rocking with our stablecoin portfolio. Next is the high confidence large cap. So this one is basically projects that you have high confidence in. These are blockchains, layer ones, not layer twos, not tokens. No, these are layer ones. Personally, I'm going to invest into a coin way more than I'm investing into a token. I would only invest in a token with the profits that I made from investing in a coin. You understand? The coin is you investing in the tech, you investing into like the whole platform. Whereas the token is just, to me, one that's inflationary because of whoever owns the token can continuously pump more and more tokens into the market, right? Where most blockchains, or the ones, at least the ones that I'm interested in, a good criteria of mine is for them to be deflationary. You know what deflationary means? It means basically there's a limited supply, there's usually a burn associated with the coins, and as time progresses, the value goes up. So I like appreciating assets, you know? So the coins that I would use, let's put this at all and come down here. Like I said, tokens, no tokens. T-share, that's a token. FTM, that's a coin. So I'm interested in stuff like that. That's why we're on FTM. So I'm looking for like, let's see. So basically, you see this right here, battle of the bands. See, the thing with Defi finance, it kind of grabs together all of the vaults that can do these liquidity pairings, right? And that's the one that I actually wanted to show you guys on Beethoven. This one called Battle of the Bands. This one, right? I like this one. One, the APR is 105%. Beautiful. But I think, I feel like I saw it for more on here. Right here, Battle of the Bands. See here, they have 168. See the difference is on Beethoven, they showing APR, right? On here, they showing APY. Difference between those is APY means compounded, right? So this one gives you exposure to, let me show you. Battle of Bonds give you a better breakdown of what you're exposed to and the percentages. So this one is exposing you to Matic, Solana, AVAX, Luna, BNB, right? Now, these are like all layer one projects, all projects that the crypto gurus are forecasting to blow. So if this is something, personally, I like this project. So I think this may be the one that I would go with because I want to be exposed to all those layer ones. And collectively, I'm growing at about 168%. That's really good. For large cap, we're going to go with the Battle of the Bands from Beethoven X. So small cap, like I said, this is the one that where I would go into with tokens. For the low cap, I'm gonna go with, I'm thinking Tomb. Okay, Tomb is what, 322. This one is a conglomerate. See, this one is Fantom Conservatory of Music. Let's check BV Finance with Beethoven right quick. FTM pools. So yeah, so for small caps, what I'm gonna go with is Geist. I'm gonna go with this one right here. It's on Spooky Swap. It's Geist 400, basically 450 APY. Sort of reputable token, reputable protocol, great APY. This is my choice for the small cap. Okay. Now for DGens, moonshots, we're looking for those high APYs, anywhere above 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 1,000 plus. This is what we're coming for. Okay, the one that I'm gonna choose, we already seen it. It's this one right here, 1.22 thousand APY with Tomb. Tomb is T-share. T-share is basically, it's in the FTM realm, so it's great. So yeah, and it's on a reputable protocol such as Spooky Swap. See, I'm going with this one, T-share, 1,000%. We like that. So there you go. That's how I would build a portfolio, a DeFi portfolio on the Fantom network. Let me know if you enjoyed that video. Let me know if you would like me to do any other networks, Binance, Avalanche, Solana. Drop it in the comment section. Also, I probably will be doing those. So if that's something that you're interested in, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when those videos do drop on the channel. So thanks for making it this far.